Have you ever wondered how a simple hello could change the course of your day? In our societies, manners play a crucial role. Picture this. John, a young entrepreneur, boards a bus one chilly Monday morning. He takes a seat next to a tall, dark man. Yet he doesn't acknowledge the man's presence, let alone strike up a conversation. His mind is elsewhere, focused on his mission to buy supplies for his business. But one has to ponder. John's mind was preoccupied. But could that justify his lack of basic courtesy? Fast forward to John's destination, a bustling shop with a queue stretching out the door. Amidst the sea of patrons, John's heart sinks. Over 200 people stand between him and his goal. Undeterred, he decides to approach the shop administrators, hoping to confirm whether they could accommodate everyone. Navigating the crowded store, he spots a familiar figure. It's the tall, dark man from the bus, now donning a manager's badge. A wave of disbelief washes over John. The very man he'd disregarded earlier now held the power to ease his predicament. Tears welled up in John's eyes as he realized the cost of his earlier rudeness. His impolite behavior had cost him more than he could have ever anticipated. The shop manager, recognizing John, offered a simple yet profound statement. His words echoed in the silence of the shop. "Learn to be nice for no price, sir." A simple phrase, yet packed with the weight of a life lesson. It served as a mirror for John to reflect on his actions. He was hit by a wave of regret, a stark realization of the time he could have saved, the convenience he could have enjoyed, had he just employed basic manners. It was a bitter pill to swallow, but it was his to bear. The cost of John's ill manners was more than he could have anticipated. A lesson for us all: never underestimate the power of being kind.